Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually bypass the security for logging on to a password protected administrator account for Windows 7. And by manually I mean you will not need any extra tools or anything, just your bare hands. This hack will take about 20 minutes to half an hour, so just keep that in mind. So as you can see here, the password or the account Chad is password protected. If I type something in here and hit enter, see is the username or password is incorrect. So what we need to do to log on is actually just go ahead and shut down the computer, or actually restart it here. So yes, I'm going to restart. And when the Windows XP logo comes on for when it is starting back up, that's when you want to actually just kill it. Hold in the power button and kill it. So for the sake of keeping this video short, since this is kind of a slow system, I'm going to pause this video until that screen comes. Okay, so it says starting Windows, and it's being kind of slow here, but I'm going to go ahead and kill it with the well, you'd use the power button. I'm just going to power off the machine here. Okay, and once it's powered off, you want to start it back up. So you would just press the power button for that. Okay, and it should bring up another prompt this time. Okay, sorry, it got kind of cut off the screen here, but that's alright. What you want to do is you want to click the Launch Startup Repair option, and it will log into or start up the startup repair. So again, I'm gonna pause the recording until that's up so that you don't have to wait. Okay. And now this comes up here, this startup repair, and it will say searching for problems. And this will take quite a while. So at some point there might be a little window that pops up that asks you if you want to use System Restore. You want to click no for that. But otherwise you can just leave your computer here for next 20 minutes to half an hour while it goes through its thing. Okay, so if this pops up asking if you want to use System Restore, click Cancel. And now it says attempting repairs, and this will take a long time. So just leave it, and I'm going to pause the recording again, and I'll be back when this is done. Alright, so if all goes well, this screen should come up. And now what you want to do is right here to the left of the View Problem Details, open that up, scroll down, and click on the bottom link to the text file. Okay, and this should open up Notepad for you. Alright, and you can read this. What you want to do though is click on File, click on Open, go into your computer, and go into your local disk. Now the drive letters are going to be switched around, so just make sure it's the local disk. Go into the Windows folder, scroll down and go into the System32 folder. Okay, oh, I forgot, for the files of type, select all files for that, and give it a little bit of time. Alright, now scroll down. There's a lot of files in here, but what you want to do is you want to scroll down till you find the one that is called SetHC. That is SETHC, and it is an application. So let me find that quickly here. Okay, it's right there. So what you want to do is you want to rename that file to something else. So I'm just going to add a 1. So it's SetHC1. Okay. Now scroll back up to okay, here we go. Scroll up to near the other files, and you want to find one that is called CMD, and it is also an application. Okay, here it is, and rename that one as well to SetHC. That's S as in Samuel, E as in elephant, T as in trampoline, and rename that to exactly what the other file was called. So this is now SetHC. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you know what? You don't want to actually rename it, because you want to keep the original one there. Sorry. Keep that CMD. What you want to do is you want to copy it first. Copy it and paste it in the same folder, so you have a copy here. Rename the copy to SetHC. Okay, there we go. Now just exit out of that, and click on Don't Send. You don't want to send the report, and just click Finish. And now your computer will power off. So I'm going to go ahead and start it again here. Okay, and wait for this to start up. Okay, so it's starting Windows, and wait till you're back at the login screen. Okay, so the login screen is loaded again, and you still won't be able to log in, but what you need to do is what we've actually done by renaming those files is we've actually replaced the sticky keys function with a command prompt. So if you press Shift 5 times quickly, which would normally bring up the sticky keys, you will instead get a administrator privileged command prompt. So I'm going to do that. So just press Shift 5 times, just like that, and there we have a command prompt. So now what we can do is type in net user, and Chad, as it says here, is the user account we want to hack. If you're not sure, just type in net user, press enter, and there we go. It'll list all the accounts. Chad is the one we want to hack. So what we want to do is type in net user Chad star and press enter, and you can type a password. If you want to set a new password, just be aware that it will not show up here as you type it, but you can just leave it blank and it'll remove the password. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so the password is now removed, and I'm going to go ahead and type exit to get out of there. Okay, now to log into Chad, all we have to do is in the password prompt press enter, and it will load up for us, hopefully. It's taking a little while. It's one of the downsides of using a virtual machine, but there we go. As you can see, it logged us in no problem, and if I click on the start menu here, you can see we are logged in as Chad, and we have full administrator privileges. But there we go. We just hacked a Windows 7 computer with no external tools whatsoever, and went from not being able to log in to resetting the password or removing the password and logging in as an administrator with no external tools. Takes a while, but it's a great payoff. So that's it. That's my tutorial. Thank you for watching.
Hi friends, today I am going to show how to hack Windows 7 logon administrator password without any software. Yes, I don't know what is the password. I am going to restart my system. Click on restart. Yes, Windows is shutting down. when Windows logos appears, you suddenly turn off your power off button. Yes, I'm going to do that. This is my power off button. Suddenly turn off your system. Yes, long press. Yes, my laptop is shut down. Press power on button. Yes, Windows error recovery. You have to select launch startup repair recommended. Yes, Windows is loading files. Startup repair. Searching for problems. Yes, startup repair asking, do you want to restore your computer using system restore? No, you have to select cancel. Attempting repairs take up to 10 minutes. I am going to pause my video. After 10 minutes, startup repair shows cannot repair this computer automatically. Click on view problems. Scroll down. Select offline privacy statement ending with a .txt file. File. Open. Go to Windows installation directory. Computer. This is my personal disk. Another one is Windows installation directory. Yes, Windows. Type system 32. Go to system 32 and select the file type. Show all files. Yes. Now type command. Right click. Copy. Again right click. Paste. Now type zhc. Yes, zhc is there. Right click. Rename. Now zhc 1. Just set HC with rename with 1. Now go to type command. Refresh it. Yes. Right click. Rename. Set HC. Enter. Now come outside. Cancel. Close. Close. Finish. Now power on your system. Press shift key 5 times. Yes. you got command prompt. Type net user. Now the administrator are Vijay. Again type net user. Type the administrator name, space, press shift key and then 8 star, then enter. Type the password for the user. No, just be blank. Enter. Command completed successfully. Close. Enter. Yes, you have hacked Windows 7 administrator logon password. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe me. Thank you.